This short guide shows how to buy shares of Coty Inc. step by step. Coty is a global beauty company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Coty. This content is educational and not financial advice. To trade Coty, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Coty to quickly locate the stock. Select the Coty Inc. listing on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct company. The Coty stock page shows basic company information in a price chart so you can review recent performance. Confirm the exchange is NASDAQ and that the ticker reads Coty to verify the asset. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to use, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when markets open. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it allows confirmation. Once the order fills, your Coty position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description below for the example broker link if you want to follow the same process.